Welcome to my project bazaar.com. Let's see the title of our project. Our project title is a semantic-based friend recommendation system for social network. Let's see the abstract of our project. In a Friendbook, a novel semantic-based friend recommendation system for social network which recommends friends to users based on their lifestyles instead of the social graph. By taking advantage of sensor-rich smartphones, Friendbook discovers lifestyles of the users from user-centric sensor data, measures the similarity of the lifestyles between users, and recommend friends to users if their lifestyles have high similarity. Inspired by the text mining, we model a daily life as a live documentation from which his or her lifestyles are extracted by using the latent results algorithm. We further propose similarity metric to measure the similarity of the lifestyles between users and calculate users' impact in terms of lifestyles with a friend matching graph. Upon receiving a request, Friendbook returns a list of people with the highest recommendation scores to query users. Finally, Friendbook integrates a feedback mechanism to further improve the recommendation accuracy. So, in the development of the social networks from the internet, generate a major improvement in information spread. From data search and from the search to social interaction, users around the world are now more deeply involved with the internet as user-granted concept undergoes spiritual growth expansions. Through adoption of the social networks, user-generated content far more accessible than before. A powerful aspect of the social network is customization of the user experience. Recommendation system constitutes a large role in providing quality customized user experience. The main challenge in developing relevant friend recommendation is due to the dynamic nature of the human perception of the friendship, which constitutes a cause for heterogeneity of the social network. It is usual and frequent for humans to change their view of friendship. Further, this view varies from person to person, in which a social network is used to. Recommender system helps users to identify their interests and sets of the choice by predicting the usefulness degree of an item or group of items to the users. They are defined as a special types of information filtering that gives information about which items might be interested to users. So, in before the neighbors or colleagues, we are using the people typically made friends with others who live or work close to themselves. We call friends made through the radiation fashion as a G-friend, which stands for geographical location based friend because they are influenced by the geographical distance between each other. With a rapid advance in a social network, service such as Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus has provided a revolutionary ways of making friends. According to the Facebook statistics, a user has an average of 130 friends, perhaps larger than any other time in history. According to this statistic, the rules to group people together include habits or lifestyle, attitude, taste, normal standard, and economic level. People they already know. Apparently, rule so mentions the factors considered by the existing recommendation system. It is not possible to capture through the web app. Rather, lifestyles are usually closely correlated with the daily routines and the activities. Therefore, if you could gather the information on users' daily routines and activities, we can exploit the rule 1 of the standalone app on the smartphones as add an existing social network framework. In both cases, Friendbook can help mobile phones users find friends either among strangers or within a certain group of as long as there is a similarity lifecycle. Let's see the data flow diagram of this project. So first module is a user, next one user can log in this module using the login module. Another one is the friend request. In the friend request module that is used to send friend request to the other friends. The chat module that is used to chat with the friends who made by ours. So next module is the recommendation module. The recommendation module that is used to recommend the friend that are who are related to our life cycle. Next one is listing module. This listing module that is used to store the list of people that are used this application. Next module is sensor values. The sensor value module that is used to get the user life cycle through the sensor. After getting the life cycle value, the data are stored in the server. After storing the life cycle values in the server that analyzes the server sensing data. After that, generate the recommendation list of the each users. In this recommendation system, the try to suggest times to users have become more and more popular in recent years. For instance, that Amazon or other accounts item user based on items the user previously visited and the items that the other user looking at. So, in this proposed work, the proposed decision will present the Friend Seeker, a new recommendation system for social networks, which is from to users based on their life cycle instead of the social graph. Friend Seeker discover life cycle of the users from user-centric sensor data, personal interest, and measure the relations of the life cycle between users and suggest friends to users if their life cycles have high match. The proposed design will develop a general friend recommendation system. So then propose a similarity metric to determine the similarity of the friends receiving a request. Friend Seeker returns a list of people with the maximum recommendation scores to the query user. Finally, the proposed system will implement on the Android sample. The result will show that the recommendation accuracy return the preference of the user in choosing friend. We take the base of the architecture. So this paper proposed providing the overview about the various recommendation techniques developed by the proposed system. Let's see the demo of this project. This is the starting page of our application. So if user want to register their details, click this menu button. After that click sign up. After clicking the sign up, the register page will be combined. In register page, the user provides the following information to sign up. So after the sign up, the user login through the username password. For example, so after clicking the login button, the user must be logged into the home page. The home page so that you have no friends, you can add a new friends by menu. So clicking the menu, click the add new friend button. So after clicking the add new friend button, the friend request menu will be open. After open, the auto complete will shows the who users are registered in this app. For example, so if you click in the the user is be clicked. After selecting the user, click the send button. After sending the your friend request toast will be displayed. The feedback menu that is used to user provide the feedback about this system. After clicking the feedback system, the user click the user see the recommendation list. In the user list that is used to show the list of users using this application. After clicking this user button, the next activity that shows the list of users. So the loading page that is used to get and retrieve the data from the servers. After retrieving all data from the servers, the data will be stored in this page. So the loading must take the little seconds of time. So after loading completed, the list will be filled by the application. For example, AICC. So next in the feedback menu, click the feedback. For example, so select the rate of the and click submit. The toast will be displayed for your feedback submitted successfully. Thank you for your feedback. Thank you.